to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys my Walgreens haul. Sorry, my cat doesn't understand. Nobody wants to stare at her butt. So I went to Walgreens, you guys. This week is kind of a slow week, so if you guys need to take a break, definitely go ahead and do that. But I was excited to do a couple deals, but the product that I thought was going to be on sale was not. And then I wanted to get the General Mills cereal, but my store is completely sold out for 3 weeks in a row. General Mills, they said that Walgreens automatically orders that stuff. So yeah, and so today is Sunday. I actually had a spend 30 get $10 off curbside app coupon that expired today. So I actually was in the store, I scanned the products, added it to my cart on the app, and then I purchased it while I was in the store. And then I just went and found one of the managers, and I said, hey, I just did a curbside order pickup, but I pulled the items for her because there was only 2 people working. And she's like, oh, no, thank you. And I says, I wanted to try it. So they actually physically give you guys a receipt. So you guys will get a receipt when you do that deal. So if you guys are doing any like Ibotta, any rebates where you need to scan your receipt, you will get a physical receipt. Number 2, if you guys do a deal that you get a register reward, you will get it. That's if the machine prints, and that's if the employee gives it to you. Some of you guys have told me, or what I've heard in the past, is sometimes employees just throw them away. And so I'm just giving you guys a heads up. So if you are supposed to get a register reward, make sure you pay attention to that employee gave it to you, because either they didn't grab it, they forgot about it, they threw it away, or there could be other possibilities. So I did do that. So the first deal I did was the Scott's toilet paper and the Kleenex deal. Now I was reading the Fetch app and it said it had to be whatever, and I could not find it, so I'm like, well, we're gonna chance it anyways, and this did work. So these are $5. They are currently buy one get one 50% off. I printed off a 50-cent off coupon from scottstissue.com and also Kleenex. You guys can mix and match it. You can print from both websites. So I did that. You guys would end up getting these for, Paris is just gonna knock everything over. You're gonna pay $6.50. But there is a $1 rebate for the Scott's toilet paper on Ibotta, and you guys get 5 times Fetch points. So basically you get 5% of what the product was. But this was like $2.12 is what it kind of came up to. And then this one you get 750 points with Fetch rewards, which is equivalent to 75 cents. So your grand total for both of these would be $4.75 or just $2.37 a piece. So pretty good deal if you guys need to stock up on any toilet paper or tissues or anything like that. My area is starting to go crazy with toilet paper. Walmart's just been empty like crazy. I have enough stockpile, but I just grab it to show you guys that I don't go crazy because I don't need a lot of that. But I did go crazy over candy, you guys. I did go crazy. So I went to the store thinking this was $9.99 on sale, but it was not. This was regular price. This is $13.49. Where did I write? Yeah, $13.49. Now, if you guys make a purchase previously, I've been getting these like crazy. This is a 20% off your next $10 or more purchase on regular price items. Use it for this. If you guys can use it for this, definitely go ahead and do it. But this is a regular price because I thought it was on sale for $9.99 and it wasn't. It was $13.49. I used a $1 off coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. And then I forgot what I was saying. So you guys would pay $12.49 for this. But then you guys can get 1,315 points with Shopkick for purchasing and scanning the product, which is equivalent to $5.26. And you guys will get a $1 rebate with checkout 51, making this bad boy $6.23. So you get a 50% off savings. I was excited to get it. I like to get stuff like this. I mean, this is a good little gift to give to somebody. I mean, my husband was already digging in one of the boxes. So then you guys can do that. Then I was going to do this deal, and I was going to buy just one box, but it's 2 for $8. Walgreens, you have to buy the 2 for $8 to get the deal. So I ended up getting both of these. This was 2 for $8, so each of these are $4 a piece. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $6 for the both of these. but you guys will get 815 points for buying this item, which is for scanning and purchasing the product on Shopkick. So this comes out to be $3.26. And you guys can mix and match. You can do the dollar rebate for this one too with Checkout 51. It's just a limit of 1 rebate, so it just depends on what you guys get. But without the dollar rebate for Checkout 51, both of these come out to be just $2.74 or $1.37 a piece, which I think is a great deal. Like I said, if you guys can get it cheaper, go for it with Checkout 51. So I got that. My husband already helped himself to it. Paris is just being a little stinker. She can't hear me, so Paris, she's knocking everything down. So the next deal we got is the Toffee Faye. I think I'm gonna give some of these. I might give some of these to maybe my. I'm giving a little gift basket to my mail lady, and she might want some of this stuff. So these were 2 for $4. You guys would pay $4 for this, but I actually have a $1.50 off a 2 rebate with Ibotta, making them just $2.57 or $1.25. So if you guys need some Toffee Faye, go for it. You guys, I went crazy over chocolate, so I ended up getting the Russell Stouffer's. Now, we do have a $1 off of 2 coupons, but there's currently a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens app. It's just a regular manufacturer coupon for a $1 off. So right now, these are $4.99. The Russell Stouffer or the Whitman's are $4.99, but then you guys want to use that $1 off digital coupon. You guys would just get these for $3.99. So you can mix and match however you want to do, but I thought that was a pretty good deal. So hopefully you guys can get some of those chocolates for a gift, possibly, maybe. I feel like my light is just not working. There we go. I just don't feel like I'm bright enough. Okay, so I got more candy for you guys. More candy. So I ended up doing the Kinder Egg deal. Now there is a deal with Shopkick where if you guys buy the Kinder Eggs, it said you had to buy a Christmas one. I did scan this. I found these in the regular candy aisle. These did work, so make sure you guys scan it just to verify. So these right now are $2.29 for one of them, or they are 2 for $3. So I bought 2 for $3 because both of my kids enjoy these. So 2 for $3, and this car right here is 69 cents on sale this week. I tried getting this for Ben, and Ben's like, oh Mom, I already have this. And I'm like, how do you have this one already? But whatever, it's 69 cents, I'm not complaining. So you guys want to buy all 3 of these. You would pay $3.69 for buying all 3, or for buying these items. But when you guys buy 1 Kinder Egg, you guys will get 240 points for purchasing and scanning the product. And with, it said any holiday toy. I just scanned this just to see if it would work, and it did. So you guys would get 140 points for purchasing and scanning the product, which is 56 cents right there. So 96 cents or 56 cents. If you guys buy both of these together, you will get an additional 150 points. So altogether for these 3 items, you will get 530 points, which is equivalent to $2.12 with Shopkick. Your grand total for all 3 of these are $1.57 or just 52 cents a piece. So if you guys don't want to do the 2 for $3, you can still do one of these. It's just up to you guys what you want. I thought this was a better deal doing it this way. So had to do that deal. If you guys definitely need to do it. I don't know if this is considered I mean, this is Santa, so maybe this is a holiday toy. I don't know. I didn't scan any of the other Hot Wheels, but definitely scan them and see if you guys can do it, because that's a great deal. Yes, and then I did the razor deal. I've been wanting these Gillette razors like crazy, and I ended up doing this way. You guys can do it however way you want, but I ended up buying $30 worth because I just, with my discount that I get, it came out to be just better this way. So these are all 3 of these are $9.99. I had a $5 off coupon for this one. I had a $5 off coupon and a $4 off digital coupon, so these are all digitals. You guys would pay $15.97 for all 3 of these, but you guys will get 10,000 points, which is equivalent to $10 in points, which makes it to be $5.97 or just $1.99. So I thought this was a pretty decent deal. I wanted to get this stuff just to try. I mean, I've been looking at it and looking at it and looking at it, and I finally did this deal. So if you guys need to do that deal, definitely go ahead and try that out. Okay. I ended up getting these Kit Kat bars. These are 79 cents. You guys would want to use a 79-cent off a 2 digital coupon. Thank you, Paris. Thank you. A 79-cent off a 2 digital coupon. then you guys would actually get these for 79 cents, or it's like 40 or 39 cents a piece basically if you guys got this. This is the mocha plus chocolate, so definitely go ahead and do that. I want to thank Lucky Louise. She sent me this coupon and I could not find it, and then eventually I found it. But I had a coupon for Red Bull for a $2.29 coupon for Red Bull. This thing does cost $2.29. So I got this absolutely free. I tried scanning it through the app and nothing would pop up, but this is a picture that they showed. My husband doesn't like this flavor, or he will drink it, but he likes the blueberry flavor. But I wasn't sure if the flavored ones would work, so I just got the normal Red Bull. But this is an easy freebie for you guys. Now, if you are employees, do not use your employee discount for these two items. I had to do a separate transaction for that because of the employee discount. I found these. I've been trying to find some Ibotta deals. Now I just saw these and I'm like, wait, they look super familiar. So this is called Love Corn. It's kind of like corn nuts, but a little bit different. These were 2 for $3. You guys would pay $3 for both of these, but you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta and a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these just $2 or $1 a piece. So I thought pretty good. They had habanero barbecue or something, habanero and then barbecue and then sea salt. So it depends on what flavor you guys want. But I thought that's something I never bought. So, and it is non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegan-free. I think I could always give one of these as a gift. Yes. Okay, and then the last deal I did, you guys, was the Crest and Oral-B. Now, I had a 6 off of 3 digital coupon that did pop up. There's also a 5 off of 3. So, depends on what you have for digitals. So, and I had to unclip some other ones. So, each of these were $3.99. I used a 6 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys would pay $5.97. Now, if you have the 5 off of 3, you would pay $6.97. But then you guys will get a $5 register reward or $5 cash reward, or whatever they call it. And you guys will get these for just 97 cents or $1.97. So it just depends on what digital coupons that you guys get. Toothpaste you should always get for free, but I wanted to share with you guys the scope and the toothpaste deal so you guys can mix and match. You can buy 2 of one, you can buy 3 of one, however you guys want to do it. So that was my haul. I ended up getting a Catalina for spend $30, you get $6 in cash, so I'll probably use that. And then I got a 20% off, and then I got that $5 register reward. So just giving you guys a heads up with any of that stuff. My total is kind of high today, just because I wanted to really get the candy deal. So my total came to $43.02. I got the $5 register reward. I received $3.50 back with Ibotta. I also had a Scott bonus for Ibotta, so I got $1 with that. I got 2,675 points with Shopkick. Now, King C. Gillette was in Shopkicks last night, and then it disappeared this morning, but that would have been an extra $2 that you guys would have gotten for free, but it disappeared unless it's still on your guys' app. But I got $10.70 back with Shopkick. I got 899 points with Fetch Rewards. I got points for the Scott's toilet paper, and then I got it for the Kleenex, and then there might have been one other item that I got, I can't remember. And then I got $1 back from Checkout 51. So my grand total came to $20.93. I got 19 items at $1.10 a piece. So I think I did pretty good considering I got all this chocolate, you guys, like so much chocolate for gifts. I think that's a pretty good deal. So let me know if you guys do the chocolate deal. I'm pretty excited to see how you guys do, but I'm pretty happy with what I was, because this week it's bad, you guys. It's bad, but there are some freebies that will sneak up on you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Also, don't forget, if you guys do not have the Flues app, I am having a contest for one more week where I'm going to choose 4 or 5 winners to win a $20 gift card of their choice. All you have to do is download the app and actually physically use the app. I get a notification when you do make your first purchase. And then you just have to go to the video where I did do the giveaway and just comment saying, hey, I used the app. And then I will write your guys' name down that you guys can be in the contest. But I'm pretty excited. I have a goal that I want to reach, and I'm super close to getting it. So just want to give you guys a heads up. If you, again, thanks for watching. I already said if you give this video a thumbs up, you know what I'm talking about. But I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.